Hi, welcome. I'm so glad you are here and ready to explore the video library. I'm going to share my screen so you can see all the ways you can navigate the website. So here we are at brittanyhopkins.com, and you would just go to hover over video on demand classes. And once you've created your account, or even if you haven't yet, if you hover over member navigation and go there, it will either default pop up to send you to the sign up. But once you've signed up, you'd be able to log in at this point and you'd be at member on demand. And I have a whole bunch of classes outlined if you wanted to go month by month and you're like, I don't want to sift through the library. I just want you to tell me what to do. You can go here and sign up for either a pop-up class. You can see when my next pop-up classes are. You could also, I have a meditation on the top of each of the monthly pages. And then here's, just do this 22-minute practice or the 60-minute practice, week 2, depending on how many classes you want to take a week. And you can always get there easily as well. If you go back up to the menu, hover over video on demand, member navigation, and then I have the month that we're on. Right now we're at the January 2nd. So I have January populated there. Otherwise, you can always go back to member navigation. And I have all the asana practice here. I usually have my most recent classes that I've uploaded right on this front page. So if you're like, I just want to do whatever's the latest thing you've done, head there. Otherwise, if you want to do a 10, 20, 30, 45-minute practice, you click on that and it'll take you to this very long list of, I got 10 minutes. What do I want to do? I got 20 minutes. What do I want to do? 30 minutes. You can always go back to the member navigation, 60 minutes. There's a whole long list of classes you can choose from. Then you just click on the class that you want to take or check out. And it'll take you to a page. There's usually about 10 classes on a page. So you might get to the one that you think you want to do, or you might see another one. Oh yeah, I do want to do this gentle modified practice. And just press play, and then you'll be taken to the practice. You can always do full screen.
Right, I'm going to have us start on our backs in Supta Baddha Konasana.
Great. And then a lot of the classes are me practicing, but these practices go all the way back to 2020, which is when I started the video library. So if you go way back on the list, you'll see some of the recordings from when I had an in-person studio. You'll see different students being my spotlight person from over the years, but it's always my voice teaching. And then one other thing I wanted to show you, if you go back to member navigation, actually 2 more things. I have a 7-day intro program. So if you're brand new to power yoga, and you want a way of like making your whole day a way of being in yoga, I have asana practices, meditation, and inquiry, and how to set up your day. What else? So many good resources here. Back to the member navigation. I also have some workshops. Here's yoga nidra practice, gentle yin practices. You go down further, I have my 40 days of renewal program that's free for all of the unlimited members. Stress management and chair yoga, how to modify the flow for flexibility, strength, or injury. I have a meditation workshop, arm balances and inversions workshop, self-assisting, headstand, handstand, journey through the chakras. Seriously, so many great things. True North alignment. If you want to know how to do Ujjayi breath, there's all these extra resources here. Really, there's so much that you could take advantage of for just barely any money a month. And then definitely take advantage of the pop-up classes. I usually do 1 or 2 a month. And also you'll be on my email list now at this point. If you're signed up for the email list, you'll get notifications of when my pop-up classes are. And as always, I would love to have you for even more. If you want to sign up for a yoga teacher training or do one-on-one coaching with me, I would love to connect. Reach out with any questions at any point. Yeah, I'm just so excited you're here.